Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. So here is the lip art tutorial for this emerald green with envy lip art that I did. So for starters, you know all of my makeup prep and skin prep items are basically the same. I'll have them linked in the description box down below. And to start off with the actual lip art, I'm going to grab the Colouredraine Jade liquid lipstick, and I'm going to apply that as the base color for my lips. And of course I forgot to add the Cupid's bow highlight, so now I'm going to grab the OPV Beauty's illuminator in liquid gold, and I'm going to apply that right there in the center of my Cupid's bow and dust it down to a little bit of my arch. And here is what the full lips look like with the liquid lipstick. And now I'm going to grab Urban Decay's eyeshadow. This is the color Lounge, and I'm going to be using my Sigma Beauty's eyeshadow brush in E57 just to pat that across the bottom lip and also across my top lip to give it this like duochrome metallic shine that I really wanted to stand out for my bottom lip. And here we go, we're starting to apply the crystals. Now for the glue, or the adhesive rather, I'm using NYX Cosmetics Glitter Primer, and I use that normally with either a tweezers or I use my Crystal Ninja applicator tool to help me apply all of the crystals and the small gold balls that you see me applying onto my lips. And I just keep doing that in little steady motions, one at a time. Of course it takes a lot of patience, but you know the final outcome is really beautiful. And here's a look at the actual lip art without the gold lip drip. So you guys could absolutely stop here if you wanted to. You don't have to do the gold dripping lips, but I wanted to because it was St. Patrick's Day and I really wanted to do a little bit of practice with that particular style of lip art. So I grabbed the Graftobian. This is their gold cosmetic powder metal, and I actually used that with Maybelline's Shine Shot Glass, and I just mixed it together, and then from there you just apply it right on your lips. When you're doing this, try to make sure you do it in one full shot so that you get like an even drip line. You can see as gravity pulls it down, it actually starts dripping. So it's really cool, really fun and easy, and that's really all there is to it, you guys. Again, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you thumbs this video up, share with your friends, leave me some comments, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye!